Hey guys, it's Rica. Today we're gonna watch Black Lightning Season 1, Episode 6, 3/7, The Book of Thunder. I just watched The Flash, and that episode was just wow. I think it's been 2 weeks, I think, since the Olympics, and we didn't had The Flash nor Arrow. Yep. So there's that. So yeah. We also didn't have Black Lightning last week, so there's that. But I'm so excited to watch this episode, and yeah, let's go to the chase and let's do it. They didn't even notice him come in, or like they don't care anymore. True though. I really like Tobias as a villain, honestly. I swear, the whole police department is on the 100 or Tobias side. Like, even, I don't know his name, but the main cop that we always see, I'm pretty sure she's part of the 100 or something like that. She's shady. What's with DC Comics and the fathers? Like, we have Arrow, Batman, Flash. All their fathers are pretty much dead. I swear. Okay, so that's college, I guess. Wait, I thought she was a teacher. Why does it... That looks like the one from Riverdale, like General Pickens or something like that. Are they gonna pray to him? I don't know. What? Oh, they're gonna throw something in. Ooh, they're guns. I don't know what they're doing, but that guy probably did something bad, so I'm just gonna cheer. They're all cheering. I wish the paint was redder though. Man, they're not stopping. It's funny because Anissa can literally take that cop down. Ooh, is she? Is she waiting for the right moment? What? She just scanned it. Okay, I'm just gonna trust her judgment. I really love how most Disney shows have this sibling thing. Like, we have these two, Oliver and... Oh, wait. You guys are probably gonna broke up sooner or later, no offense. Like I said, we have Oliver, Tia. All I can see in my future is struggling to help him get around. Alex and Kara. I mean, we barely saw Iris and Kid 5, but still. I mean, she can't really blame herself. I mean, they just started dating, and her boyfriend became crippled. Like, yep, there's that. That's nosy and creepy. Why do they keep making that guy bad? Like Riverdale? Now backlighting. I mean, what? I'm pretty sure she did nothing. So what, like, he just, you know, felt like posting shade on Instagram? Besides, who posts shades on Instagram? You do that on Twitter, bro. Or Snapchat at least. He's becoming unattractive right now. Not because he's crippled, but like, he's being a douchebag. Boy, I swear boys are always tripping. No offense though. I feel like this is the bias speaking, but I feel like Khalil would say something like this too. So I can't blame Twice all on this. Like, I'm pretty sure. I feel like he low-key wanted to say that though. Like, if it all turns bad, he has to buy it as an excuse, but like still. Okay, wait. I thought they hated that guy in the statue. Now what's happening? Oh, the girl. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't take Anissa this way. That doesn't really look like a disguise. It's more like a costume. Girl, damn. She did it in public. Okay, like what? I'm pretty sure they all saw that. They all see someone, her. I can't wait for her birthdays, guys. Can we skip to that episode, please? Ooh.
Hey, sweetie, I'm glad you called. I inputted your organic sequences.
Oh my god, let her talk.
Cross-referenced with known sequences. That way I can tell what it
Doesn't she have a clue though? Like, I mean, it was Jefferson's dad.
Well, actually,
Oh.
I'm calling because I need to tell you. Or like show you the real reason I need the research. Can I come over? Yeah.
Girl, yes.
The lab. Just use the intercom when you get here and I'll let you in. Bye.
I thought, aren't they in the hospital though? I think.
I had some real talk with Anissa, and I've been thinking. I realized I was bad about not always being the person in your life.
It's so weird because
That lightning is part of you, and I can't deny that.
it's always this thing on TV shows that he can easily kill Tobias right now, but of course, I mean, what happens after he kills Tobias? I mean, I get it, but still. Is that Anissa?
Someone's breaking in. They're coming.
Oh, it's. I feel like it's the shady partner. Okay, it's Anissa. Oh wait, no. What's happening? Yeah, it's the shady doctor, and like Anissa just came right on time. This is gonna be good. Oh, she's gonna see her daughter in action.
Get away from her now.
It's so weird because, like, I mean, even though she's in a disguise, like, her mom. Damn, girl! I mean, even though she's in a disguise, like, her mother already knows it's her. Mom's knows. I mean, they're good. They're really good. It's gonna be good. Oh, yes! Oh, no. Oh, no. Bad timing, bad timing. Oh, wait. Oh, shh. Okay, okay, we good, we good, we good. Is she gonna defeat her own father? Okay, she can. I'm pretty sure she can control her powers now because Blacklight was the only one who felt like if it did that so hard, everything on that task would fail too. Damn. Okay, okay. I like this. I like how this is going. Okay, okay. He needs to stop. Anissa, are you dead? He's gonna find out. No. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Thank you. I thought they were gonna end that show that way. That's too much of a cliffhanger. Oh, they already know.
What do you do? She has powers, Jeff.
We're eating good. We're eating good this week. We're eating good. Okay, so the next few episodes we're gonna get through that stage where they don't want Anissa using her powers. But we all know, you know, they're gonna team up. I mean, it's in the poster.
I got you. Just remember this and never forget. There's two ways to walk in this world. Either you're gonna be one of the sheep.
Is that the doctor?
Or you're gonna be
Or what?
I think you made
Of course it's Khalil.
Thanks, Mr. Tobias.
I swear.
But I don't know what I can do.
I swear he's a freaking asshole.
I can't even look. You will. I promise.
No, you won't. I'll break his legs again.
Be strict and believe me. It's so much fun. Because if his dirty laundry comes out, so does yours.
Okay, I swear this Gambit guy is shady. He knows who Black Lightning is. He knows his family. He knows who Tobias is. He knows who Tobias' boss is. I mean, what's happening? What the fuck is going on? They can't keep that secret. Like, his father being Black Lightning, they just can't. Oh, I'll be damned. Girl, yes. Okay, so that's it for Black Lightning. It was kind of a cliffhanger if I'm being honest, but I was totally expecting that. I mean, of course they have to give us a reason to watch the next episode, but I'm still gonna watch it anyways. But yeah, I'm so excited for the next episode of this one. They already know Anissa is Thunder, and Anissa knows her father is Black Lightning, so like, what? Also, like I said, Gambi is really, really shady. I mean, who is he even? Like, I thought he was like the father or father figure of Jeff, or but like now we saw some photos in the episode of him and what's her name again? Jeff's wife, something like that. But yeah. So I'll probably read a lot of articles or his wiki page or something like that. So yeah. I'll be doing a vlog tomorrow. So if you're interested in watching, it's probably gonna be up in like 48 hours or something. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Cause money